It's a lockdown workout. We will start with the skipping. So first, skipping should be for 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, skipping should be front and back, side by side, one leg skipping, two leg skipping, hopping, and fast skipping. Skipping should be of 5 minutes. It's a warming up exercise. After skipping, next exercise is squat jumps. In squats, whole body should go down, then go up. It should be in four direction: front direction, back direction, sideway direction, and the back direction. After squat for 1 minute, then 1 minute squat, not jumping. It's a squat side movement. Movement with the squat. Squat should be up to the down level, and it should be either in repetition 20 or for 1 minute. Next workout is lunging. Lunging, proper lunge should be there. Fully extension of legs, and it should be in the all direction, not in particular one direction. And mind it, every exercise you have to do 3 repetition of 1 minute each. Only skipping for 5 minutes, and other legs exercises 3 repetitions of 1 minute each. Next exercise is squat jumps. It's not exactly squat. Once a player comes in squat position, then he in that position continue do the squat jumping. Again for 1 minute, 3 repetition. Next exercise, squat jump, and here the jump should be fully squat and fully jump. In squat position, body should be straight, go down, and there is a full squat like this. Next exercise is high knee action. Here high knee action, body should be straight, and knee should comes up to the waist level, and arms movement should be properly like a runner, and it is again for 1 minute, 3 repetition. Next exercise is one leg squat. Here one leg should be on the chair, and with other leg you have to do the squat. Again 20 repetition on one leg, 20 repetition on other leg. Here this is for 3 sets. Next exercise is for core workout, core strength, core squat. Here the student can use any weight. They can have a brick, they can have a bottle full of water, or any weight. If they have the weight, they can use weight. Here the squat should be with weight. It is for core strengthening. Next exercise is split and squat. Here feet apart and squat with agility. Next exercise is for calf strengthening. Here you have to stand on a platform, and extension of your ankle up and down for 20 repetition on one leg and 20 repetition on other leg. This is for calf strengthening. Last exercise is high squat jumps. Again 20 repetition and of 3 sets. Here one should go high, and the knee shouldn't touch the chest. This is the lockdown workout. Today's workout was for leg strengthening. Be careful before doing any exercise. You should be properly and thoroughly warmed up. Stay at house. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you very much. We will meet tomorrow. Now next workout is again core movement, but with little weight. For weight you can have a bottle full of water or any brick for this workout. This will improve your footwork with foot strength. Thank you. Now footwork, diagonal movement with break. Yes. Again, you have to do minimum 8 exercise and maximum of 12 repetition at a stretch. And again, you can cover all the corners like this. This is the diagonal. Earlier was forward movement. And again here like this you can do the backward movement. Thank you. Now next movement you can do little with little speed throwing the shuttle forecourt area. Again minimum 8 and 12 maximum of 12 repetition at a stretch. Again here like this you can do this exercise for every corner. This is forecourt. You can do it diagonal. You can do it side by side. You can do it backward. Thank you. For increasing your speed and smashing ability, you can add smashing movement in the same. Here you have to do forecourt area, you have to throw the shuttle, and in backward area you have to hit the shuttle. Only shadow practice. Again minimum 8 repetition or maximum of 12 repetition at a step. Thank you. This is day 2 workout. You have to do the workout according to the cassette, according to the video. Earlier it was day 1 workout. Now today it is day 2 workout. Be safe and be healthy.